Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I am so excited to be filming today because I'm going to be doing another Alicia Keys transformation. I'm going to be recreating this photo right here. So I saw this photo on her Instagram a few weeks ago. I think it was from like a Vogue photo shoot. I don't know if it had anything to do with the holidays, but to me it gave me very much so holiday vibes. I was thinking like Christmas time with the shirt and the pearls. I don't know, I thought it'd be a really cute holiday hairstyle, or just a hairstyle to wear anytime you want. But I even picked up this shirt. It's pretty similar to the one that she got. I got this from Fashion Nova, so I'm trying to just recreate the whole look. I'm going to be doing my makeup and everything a little bit later as well. So let's just get into this video. So I washed my hair like 2 days ago, but I actually didn't do anything to it. I threw some leave-in conditioner in it. I let it air dry. I didn't style it, and then I just slicked it down in a bun yesterday. So it's actually pretty stretched out, but it's perfect for what I'm about to do today because, I don't know, it'll just be so much easier to do this with my hair stretched out. Okay, so I just need to straighten up this middle part. Okay, that is perfect. I'm actually gonna go in and detangle my hair a little bit because it'll make it so much easier to braid my hair. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my Pro Style Gel to slick down my hair. This has a pretty good hold and it does not leave your hair like hard and crunchy. And I love the smell. Okay, I still have a shirt on. I just took my arms out the sleeves because the sleeves are super uncomfortable and it's freaking hot in here, and I don't want to turn my air on because it's too loud. But I'm just gonna go in and slick my hair down into a very low ponytail. And then I'm going to be using my bolt hold thick hair ties to secure that. Okay, ponytail is secured. Now I'm just going to go in with some more gel and make sure I don't have any flyaways. Okay, so for the braid, I am going to be adding some braiding hair just to elongate my ponytail a little bit. Honestly, I don't know how much more length it's going to add, but we're just gonna see. If not, I do have more hair and I'll just add to it. So this is hair that I had used for something else and I had saved it so it wouldn't get all nasty, but I put this scrunchie up here and you see how it's just like a loop that can kind of go around my ponytail. I'm gonna do the same thing, just replace this scrunchie with a regular hair tie, and then it's gonna wrap around my ponytail. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the fake hair to my ponytail. And now you guys can see the fake hair is attached to my ponytail. So first thing I'm gonna do is just take out a chunk of hair that's gonna wrap around the ponytail so that I can cover this big barrette right here. Okay, so we're gonna just start braiding. Honestly, this is going to be a very, what is that? I don't even know if you guys can see that, but there's like a freaking sticker in my hair. Did it fall out? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. This is going to be one thick braid. I think I need to wet my hair a little bit because it's kind of dry. So I'm just separating my hair into 3 pieces, making sure to kind of evenly distribute the braiding hair in every section. And then I'm just gonna start braiding as tight as I can, honestly, because I don't want my natural hair to like poke out. Okay, so the braid is complete. Now I'm just gonna wrap this piece of hair around the barrette so we can cover that up and then secure it with some bobby pins. Hopefully I grabbed a thick enough piece. braid is completely done. I fixed up the little wraparound section, and we're gonna move on to applying these pearls in my hair. So I picked up this pack of pearls from Michael's. Honestly, this was like $9. I don't need all of these, but the other packs they had just were not cutting it. They were like more yellowish, and I wanted these ones. So yeah, this is like a variety pack. It comes in a bunch of different sizes. I'm only gonna need one size, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick out the size that I'm gonna be using, and I'll be right back. So it's actually a few hours later, but I did pick out all the pearls that I'm going to be using in this little tray here. I don't think I mentioned, I might have mentioned, I don't know, but these are flat back pearls, so it might be common sense, but just a reminder, if you do want to do this hairstyle or do another hairstyle with pearls, to purchase the flat backs and not the full bead, because obviously it won't be able to adhere to your head unless you're a freaking magician. So I'm going to be putting these pearls on my hair using this lash glue. This is from Duo. I honestly don't even know how old this is, so hopefully it actually works, but we're gonna see how this goes. The beads on her hair look like they are like neatly positioned in rows, so I'm gonna try my best to do the same thing, and I'm just gonna be using a tweezer. I think this is gonna work with the tweezer. All right, so I'm gonna put the glue on the pearl. I don't know if you guys can see, I have the little pearl right here, and just put this on the back of it. This feels like an arts and crafts project for my hair. One pearl done, and we're gonna continue on and see how this goes. I'm really excited. The only thing that actually sucks is the glue is like getting all over the tweezer, so it's hard to get the pearl off of the tweezer. I'm just gonna have to keep wiping it down as I go. This is coming out so cute. It's not even halfway done, and I love it. It's already been 15 minutes, and this is how much I have gotten done. So I'm just gonna keep going. This whole thing's probably just gonna be fast forwarded. You guys can just watch me work on this. I'll probably get back to you guys once I start applying them to my actual braid. I think I'm gonna use bigger ones as I go down the braid, so we'll see how that goes, but let's continue. Okay, so I have the whole top of my head done. I started off with like just symmetrical rows, but then I just added smaller versions to like the insides of those rows. But now I'm gonna go in with these bigger size pearls, one size bigger than these, so I can put them in my braided section. Or I don't know, because I actually for the braid, I'm just gonna do a mixture of all the different sizes of the beads, because I have quite a few different sizes, and there's just pretty jumbo ones here. Not like jumbo, but they're much They're much bigger than the ones that I just used at the top of my head. And they're much easier to work with because they are larger. When I was putting in, so the additional ones that I put in are like tinier versions. Those were so hard to even use with the tweezer. And then they kept getting like stuck under my nails. So these are much easier. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of different beads everywhere, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Okay guys, so I finally finished the braid. Honestly, I'm trying to be careful because some of them keep falling out, but the braid is done and we're gonna move on to the makeup. I already did like my base makeup, which is super light, like natural. I just did a little bit of concealer, some powder, bronzer, and I did my brows. And for her makeup, she only really has, I guess, her eyes done. Like, she doesn't have anything crazy. She doesn't wear makeup like that. So we're gonna do, let me try to find a picture. Okay, so her makeup is always very simple. She barely wears anything. And for her eyes, I actually just put the photo here, but she has like this white shadow, and then like she doesn't even have extensions or anything. She literally just looks like she has mascara, a natural lip color, and yeah. So yeah, it looks very simple. I don't really know what I'm about to use. This is going to be a little bit of an experiment right now, but I do have these two white eyeliners. This one is a liquid and this one's like a crayon. And then I have like a true white shadow right here. And then I have this like nude, I don't know, it's almost white. It probably just looks white on camera, but it's more like a really, really light tan color. So I don't know what's actually gonna show up on my skin, but I'm gonna go in and put these little e.l.f. like tapes on my eyes so that I can kind of get a sharp edge, because it does look like she has somewhat of a sharp edge. Maybe like they kind of did an eyeliner effect with the shadow. So I'm just gonna go in with this color first. It's called Boxy and it's from the actual BoxyCharm palette. Okay, that's not working. White, let's see if this works. Okay, somewhat. Okay, it works much better with my finger. I don't even know if you guys can tell. I'm just gonna blend it out with my brush. Well, I mean, that kind of just disappeared. I mean, hers isn't, I don't even know if you guys can see that on camera. I can tell I have it on, it's just obviously very light. Hers is definitely a little brighter than that. So I'm gonna just add more. I'm gonna go in with this crayon liner. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you can actually see what I'm doing. I don't know, maybe you can see the white now. Definitely think I need to add more, but it just literally does not work with the brush at all. I'm gonna see how this one works from this Evening Glamour palette. Okay, that actually looks more like what hers looks like. So I'm just gonna continue to use my finger instead. Okay, I am done messing with the white, but to me it kind of looked like she had like a peachy color on her waterline. So I'm gonna go in with this blush right here and put that on my waterline. For my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara because it doesn't give your lashes like any volume, but it actually elongates them pretty well. And her photo, she doesn't look like she has any type of volume in her lashes, so. Okay, so we're back. My camera died, but I had some time to fix up my eyeshadow a little bit. I think it looks all right. I'm not a fan of the white shadow at all, but I think it looks pretty similar to what she has in the picture. So we're gonna move on to my lips, and I'm gonna be using this lip liner. It's from Ace Beauty, and it's in the color Just Peachy. I'm gonna go in with this tinted lip balm from Sol de Janeiro. It's the color Teeny Bikini. I love this thing. It's like a peachy color, and I think this smells like oatmeal. It smells so good. So I am done with the makeup. Very simple makeup, super easy. One more thing I'm gonna add are the earrings. She's wearing one like big pearl earring and then a little hoop with a little pearl. I do not have those, but what I do have, which I don't know if it's even gonna look good with these or should I just leave it without the earrings, I have these hoops with pearls on them and I love these things, so we're gonna throw them on. I don't know if they're gonna like clash too much with the pearls in my hair. I actually don't think I like the way that this looks. Like, it's just too much. It's too much. I'm actually really upset that I don't have earrings to match now. I have these little studs that I'm gonna throw on. Or maybe I'm doing the most, but what if I just glue on a pearl to my ear? Where's my glue? I mean, nobody will know, right? I mean, obviously if you're watching a video, you know, but like in a picture on Instagram, they're not gonna know. This is the definition of improvise. Here's a little side by side. Tell me how I did down in the comment section below. I'm just like dying inside that fact that I glued these on my ear. Let's see how she poses. I'm trying to pose like her. I don't know, really. Oh, but she has the hair back. Like that. Okay, I don't know. Instead of trying to do all that, make sure you check out my Instagram so you guys can see the photos that I take, and I have like side-by-sides and stuff like that on my Instagram. But I had so much fun recreating this look from Alicia Keys. If you haven't checked out my last Alicia Keys transformation video, make sure you do that. It'll definitely be in the cards or in the description box, but I basically recreated her look from the So Done music video, and I had so much fun doing that one. I had a lot of good feedback, so if you do like these kind of videos, make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up so I know to do more. So maybe leave a comment down below giving me some other ideas of hairstyles that I can recreate or some other things you guys would like to see me try on my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.